welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss applications of artificial intelligence. We already know what is artificial intelligence. Simply, it is an intelligent mission. Artificial means man-made, intelligence means thinking power. So we are creating one intelligent mission. Now, once we are creating such mission, in what areas these missions are useful? Now we will discuss each and every domain. The first domain is we can use artificial intelligence in healthcare domain. How it is useful? For improving the diagnostics, treatment plans, and patient care. We will elaborate each and everything. First, medical diagnosis. So, one artificial tool is there, that is IBM Watson tool. This is the tool. This tool assists the doctors for diagnosing the treatments like cancer and heart diseases. These two diseases are diagnosed by using this tool only. Drug discovery means it identifies the different components. For example, if you know one drug consists of multiple components, how the multiple chemical components are combined to form one drug for predicting the correct disease solution. Robotic surgery. Right now everyone listen the word robotic, generally in orthopedics. This robotic surgery is plays a very crucial role. Without human intervention, robots only do the operation. Personalized medicine. What is mean by this one? Based on our information, whatever the data we are providing and whatever the treatment you are using up to now, based on that one, it provides them additional treatment plans. Okay. Virtual health assistance means different apps are there. Suppose if you walk this much amount of time, this much calories are reduced, and they given some medical advices and some reminders. Okay, you got it. In all the ways you are using this artificial intelligence. This is healthcare domain. Now, finance and banking domain. Anyway, finance and banking, the main important thing is security. That means it fraud detection. So during normal transactions and fraud transactions, the algorithms clearly identify the unusual transactions, and once the transactions are identified, frauds are detected. Now, algorithmic trading means it analyzes the market trends. Suppose real estate or something stock market is there, it analyzes the market trends. Based on the analysis, it executes the high speed trades. What are the things that are moving fast, what are the stocks that are moving slow, all those are analyzed. Credit scoring and loan approval means instead of analyzing all things, they simply develop some CIBIL score and your financial history, in what banks you have account, what are the debits, what are the credits, everything is analyzed. Anyway, last one, customer service. Everyone know, for every mobile bank or everything, we have a 24 by 7 banking support. Chatbots are provided, yes or no? So in this, they are using financial sector also. Now, another domain, automotive and transportation domain. In this, we know the popular self-driving car. By using this self-driving car, anyway, everyone know Tesla designs the self-driving cars. By using this artificial intelligence, that is internally, they uses the computer vision and deep learning techniques for navigation of roads. Traffic management means, so it identify the traffic at the signals to reduce the simply congestion. To reduce the congestion, they are identifying how much distance you need to cover. This is the traffic, how much. So in signals we have, instead of seconds, sometime ATM is there, sorry, ATC, automatic time controller is there, like this. Predictive maintenance means, simply, suppose I have one vehicle, it identify the issue, that is the problem in the vehicle before the problem occur. So before a breakdown, it alerts with some message. There may be some problem in the future. And ride sharing services. So that means, for example, Uber is there or Ola is there. Instead of moving only one person, if they identify the path and select the persons who are going in that path also. At the same time, route optimization. That means they are selected the shortest path also. This is the automotive and transportation domain. Now, retail and e-commerce domain. Everyone know retail and personalized recommendations. That means if you open Amazon or Netflix or YouTube, anything, next time onwards, based on your past history, it shows the recommendation. This is the item that you want to purchase. And chatbot and virtual assistants. Anyway, in Netflix, Amazon, Flipkart, everything to handle the customer queries, chatbots are also prepared. Inventory management. Inventory management means simply it predicts the demand for some stocks. That is, some items have more demand. Identify the items which have more demand and they are maintained some stock levels for such one. Fraud prevention. Anyway, if any suspicious transaction occurred that is detected as a scam, and simply prevent that one. Now, entertainment and media. As usual, content recommendation. Suppose you are watching one movie. So next time onwards, it displays all the movies related to your watched movie. Not only movie, suppose we songs, videos, whatever it is. Always it is available. Spotify app is there. So they directly suppose based on your visit. These are the recommendations. YouTube is there. Directly they given recommendations. You got it? AI generated art and music means you can create some digital art, some music compositions, and right now the most popular deep fake. So by using this one, you are creating deep fake. Anyway, it is not correct, but by using this one, you are creating deep fake videos also. You got the point? And automated news writing means suppose if you are given large amount of information, simply it generates the summary of the reports that we submit and it enhances the quality of the picture. We have some old images there. If you want to convert into color image or if you want to enhance the quality by using this. Now, AI is used in entertainment and media. Now, it is used in education and e-learning. Everyone know personalized learning. That means instead of any supervisor, human, that is student only can learn the education by using different content. Like chatbot is there. If you given the query, they are given the solution. Artificial intelligence, AI tutors are also there. Okay, they assist the students, even those teachers, but they are artificial intelligence tutors. And grading is also possible. Language translation. Suppose the Google Translate is there, which is used to convert one language into another language. That means you can learn a new language also. Now, you can use in the manufacturing and industry. These domain also you can use. How? Predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance means just now we discussed before breakdown of a mission, it can identify what are the issues or what are the faults in that mission. They are predictive. Quality, how much quality you can maintain, it recognize the quality. Supply chain optimization, how much demand is there and how much quantity I need to produce, that relation is also maintained. And robotics, automatic robotics are prepared, they can do something where human does not work. Now, agriculture and farming also AI is used. Crop monitoring means by analyzing the satellite images, it can monitor the health of a crop. That is how the crop is good or not. Smart irrigation means suppose in one area the water is high, which crop you need to yield. That means based on the water conditions, based on the water usage, and it can identify the smart or else how much water is needed for this particular crop. Based on this, it predicts the yields. Based on these images, it can identify the pest, that is any diseases occurred and how to treatment those diseases. Everything is available. Now, Cyber security. Cyber security, the most important thing. Threat detection. That means if any malware or phishing attacks occur, it identify. Anomaly detection. Anomaly detection means a suspicious activities in the network. These are identified. User authentication. That means based on some thumb or based on some facial recognition, it identifies. Now, smart homes and IoT, you know that one? By using remote only, we switch on the fan, we switch off the fan and lights. And by using that one, security is there for home. That is digital locks. Digital locks. Okay. So by using CC cameras, surveillance systems, everything is available. And we are using artificial intelligence in defense and military also, where you are using autonomous drones. So these purpose is to conduct some surveillance. You are using these drones to are using for cyber security. That means protect for military data from cyber attacks. Strategy planning. That means in one situation, they are using the assessment of risk. Once you assess the risk, based on the risk assessment, you are making the decision. Now you observe these are the applications. Come to an end. Now, what are the different domains you are using? You can use the artificial intelligence in healthcare, finance and banking, automotive transportation, retail and e-commerce, entertainment and media, education, e-learning, manufacturing and industry, agricultural, cyber security, smart homes, and defense military. That means in each and every application or each and every domain, artificial intelligence plays a very crucial role. These are different applications of artificial intelligence. Thank you.